everybody, it's Miss Lorenz. I'm going to talk about Lesson 9, Solving Rate Problems. Boy, lots of conversions in this one, so make sure that you are ready to correct your work, and let's get after it. So wild animals from around the world wanted to hold an athletic competition, but no one would let them on an airplane. So they decided to just measure how far each animal could sprint in 1 minute and send the results to you to decide the winner. And I know that's silly, so that's why I put a smiley face there. What I did for each one is I had to decide how I wanted to convert units, and I had to choose a measurement that I could convert all of these to in order to compare them. So I chose inches. So I turned this 1,408 yards into 4,224 feet, and then I turned that into inches. I turned this 1 mile into 63,360 inches. And by the way, that little symbol looks like quotation marks. That's a symbol for inches, and then one single one would be the symbol for feet. A hare this was already in inches, so I just rewrote it. For the kangaroo, I first had to turn it into centimeters, and then I divided each of those centimeters by 2.54, so that I could turn that into inches, 42,244. I did the same thing with the ostrich. First, I had to change those kilometers into centimeters. Ooh, I think I did this one wrong. Okay, I did. You guys, here's your chance. I'm not going to redo this video. What I want you to do is figure out what I did wrong on the ostrich. Because what I did is I turned it into, I was thinking it was meters, and I turned that, if it was meters, into centimeters. And then I turned it into inches. So this one's not right. So your job is to figure out what's wrong with this and then report back to me. And what I mean by what's wrong with it, I want you to come up with the correct answer and then report back to me. So I'm glad I caught that. And then the coyote, I just multiplied those feet by 12 to get 45,276. So which animal sprinted the farthest? Well, it's either the antelope or the ostrich. What is it, you guys? And then I had to rank them in places. And so this might not be right because the ostrich might be up here, right? Before the antelope, and then the cougar and the hare and the coyote and the kangaroo. All right, so I can't wait to see what you figured out. Number 2, this package of sliced cheese cost $2.97, and that was for 11 pieces. So I took $2.97 divided by 11, and I got that each slice is 27 cents. And so if it was the same cost per slice, then we just are going to take 27 cents times 18 to get $4.86 for 18 slices. Number 3, a copy machine can print 480 copies every 4 minutes. So how many can it print in 10 minutes? So I did copies per minute. So I took 480 divided by 4, and I got that can do 120 copies per minute. So then I did 120 times 10 to get 1,200 copies. And then a teacher printed 420 copies. How long did it take her? So I just divided that 720 divided by 120 to get 6 minutes. Number 4, we had to order these from heaviest to lightest. And so again, just like that earlier problem, I had to choose a unit of measure that I could use to compare all of them, and I chose pounds. So I turned the 9 tons into 18,000 pounds. The horse is already 1,100 pounds. It's already in pounds. I had to turn the kilograms into pounds by multiplying by 2.2. So then I got 12,100 pounds. And then I had to turn these ounces into pounds. 15,840 ounces is just under 1,000 pounds. And then that's the order from heaviest to lightest. And then the last one, Andre sometimes mows lawns on the weekends to make extra money. 2 weeks ago, he mowed a neighbor's yard for a half an hour, and he earned $10, which would be $20 per hour. Last week, he mowed his uncle's yard for an hour and a half. That's what 3 halves is, an hour and a half. And he earned $30. And so that would also be $20 an hour. And then this week, he mowed the lawn at the community center, and he mowed for 2 hours and got $30, which would be $15 an hour. So the neighbor and the uncle pay better than the community center. I would say his neighbor is paying pretty well for just a half an hour of work, but but these are the same rate per hour, the neighbor and the uncle. All right. Hope that helps. Thanks for listening.